I was inspired by a recent video from James Hoffmann where he discussed the decaffeinated bean versus a caffeinated bean and how the difference in porosity changes how you can roast the bean. I figured this was a perfect opportunity to study the internal structure and look for variations between the beans. So first I went down to my local coffee shop and bought the same beans with the same roast, decaffeinated and caffeinated. Right away you can see that the decaffeinated bean is darker than the caffeinated bean, and the surfaces are quite different too, both being very oily, but in their own kind of patterns. What I'm interested in today is the interior structure of the beans, and so for that I'm going to be using X-ray Computed Tomography to probe the porosity of each bean. Whenever you see a red bean here, it's the caffeinated, and if you see a blue bean, that's the decaffeinated. In probing the 3D volume, I found that the decaffeinated bean was 12% more porous than the caffeinated bean. However, the porosity before roasting would be a more important factor, so subscribe if you want to learn more about beans.